How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here at Disney's Vero Beach. We are staying at a Deluxe Inn studio. We'll be doing a room tour. We are staying in room 2405. Now let's go inside and check it out. As we come right into the room, you can see we have a mini fridge. Quite large mini fridge. Microwave, toaster, icebox, coffee, and provided Joffrey's coffee. This is a DVC room. We are DVC, so we do get some utensils. Looks like it's plastic and paper bowls. Walking down the hallway to the left, we have a vanity with, what's up going on, everybody? H2O soap, the facial soap and body lotion here. Big fan of H2O products. Nice size mirror with your makeup mirror there. Down below we have your hair dryer and plenty of storage locations for everything else. Now moving left into the bathroom, you can see shower tub with the best H2O soaps I ever have. I love showering with this stuff. This stuff smells amazing. Towels, shower head, no rainfall shower head, just the standard shower head. And then behind the door, towels, more toiletry with hidden Mickey right there, and toilet. Coming out of the bathroom, we have a closet, fire extinguisher inside. You can see we have a pack and play and a safe, ironing board, iron, and of course extra pillows and blankets. Now going left, we have two beds, just me and my wife tonight, but we have two beds. It's another medium firm, medium, soft, half and half. My bags. Your air conditioning system, really nice artwork in this room. Another giant mirror. Gonna go with a 55 on that one. I'll have to look into it. Good sized TV. There it is. Sea turtle. There are sea turtles on the beach out here that lay eggs. And that will be in the vlog that we do after this room tour. Nice table, chairs, second bed, and there's kind of like a cutout back here, so plenty of storage space to put your bags and everything. Down here you can see USB regular outlets, and then at the TV you have another two outlets up here, so plenty of charging options and stuff like that. Now let's go check out that view. So we are staying on the 4th floor, and you can see we got quite the view. We got two chairs out here, and don't trip and smash the door into it. But look at that. This is the view from our room. It smells like pizza right now. It must be above the kitchen. Our view down below happens to be the trash room, but the pool is right over here. That's the changing rooms. We got some water out there, and that's the lobby check-in location right there. And that is a alligator, plant-based alligator. Definitely excited to stay here at Vero Beach. Drove up from Fort Lauderdale to Orlando once. Stopped by here just to check the place out. We liked it. Now we're finally here. We're staying on a DVC. Love DVC. It's been one of our favorite things we've ever gotten. But this room is amazing. It's huge for their Deluxe Inn room. They have bigger rooms. They have entire cabins here. So you're going to want to check those out in the future. We'll definitely be coming back. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope it was informative. If it was, hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're going to keep doing these as long as I can keep getting points. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.